Telefilms. Um, I put an image which is blinking. The reason was Z Telefilms is gone very, very weak in our market today. Most of us know the reason. Promoters have got into a big trouble. So they are trying to sell this company and finding it difficult. Earnings rank is 18.5. I remember I used to buy Z Telefilms in early 2000s or prior to 2000, 1989, 1998, 99, when Ketan Parekh was there. Ketan Parekh's favorite stock was Z Telefilms. Such a big run it will give. Very, very beautiful stock. Now, promoters started putting their hands into everything, became greedy, and the stock lost everything. Profits are very, very low. Price rank, nobody is interested in this stock, 18.2. It comes in the bottom quartile, and less than 20 is bottom fifth quartile. From here, recovery is probably very, very challenging. Flat sales and consistently declining on sales for several years. Z Telefilms sales is coming down. So when sales is not there and promoters are facing challenge, obviously we will not see gains coming in the stock. Since it is an index stock, it is having some momentum because of index stock, and today all the ETFs are becoming famous, like the Western world. In our country also buy the ETF and keep. So these kind of stocks will be there in the ETF. Obviously, when these kind of duds are there in this portfolio, your performance will not be there. So buying a ETF and thinking that ETF I will use it as a passive income, yes, it will be useful because there are going to be some very good stocks in that portfolio also. While alpha creation will not be there in ETF. In India, at least another 5-6 years, we will have aggressive managed funds will do far better because they will not have this kind of stocks. And index funds will have to carry this stock. So because of that, there is momentum in the market. We need to be very, very cautious on this stock. It will not give big gains. If somebody is looking at buying Z Telefilms, there are other stocks which can give better returns. So unless we are very, very forced to buy the stock, there is no reason to buy the stock. That is my opinion. Others can have a different view. So promoters have pledged more than 80% of their holdings. Again, when we come to promoter holding, there was a discussion happening in the channel that promoter holding is getting pledged. Is it not a red flag? See, there is lot of that is there in the market. If we take everything into consideration and want everything to be perfect, obviously we will not have even a single stock in the market to buy. And when we do such kind of result, by the time we find that that stock will be far somewhere higher, the moment you step in, it will start dropping. There you need to be smart. Yes, there is challenges everywhere. Today we are talking about Reliance. Reliance is running like mad. Where is the ethics in that company? Nobody believes Reliance. But there is one set of people who will just, if suppose I am live next to them, they will kill me when I talk about Reliance, against Reliance. That is the kind of fan following we have for that stock. So in spite of all the problems, that stocks are going up. So you have a stop loss, have a strategy, and follow that with discipline. Obviously, that takes care of every problem in the market. Need not worry about red flag, green flag, ASM, nothing. Just have the money to buy the best stock, participate in the rally, have a system which takes you out when things are not good. Obviously, you can just sleep and enjoy the run that your system will give. So need to be cautious in Z Telefilms. Pledge FIIs have increased stake. This is because owners are selling their stake to FIIs. Like I think Blackstone or some venture capitalists are buying the stock. So slowly ownership is going to move. There are some talks that stock will be rights promoters. All those things are there. But don't know. As of now, all are nascent stage because the owners don't want to let out this company, which is their cash cow. So, and again, this is one caution. Of course, there are a lot of cautions in this stock. That one is not a big matter. Mutual funds have reduced this stake in big time. This stock has gone through tremendous challenge in the last 1.5 years. Nobody wants to own the stock, at least informed circles. Retail, of course, not much participation yet, but don't buy this stock. There are other good stocks in the market which can give far greater returns. So these Z Telefilms for us is caution. It is just confused what to do. Media sector itself is bad. Don't know why it is. Among them, Z is far more depleted. So this is our view, our thoughts on Z Telefilms. Others can have different view. If you want to buy, invest, or if you're holding a position, want to take action on your position, do your study, have a judgment, make a decision, and then get in. Whatever we are giving here is not a recommendation. It is only our ideas. We might not have covered full views of the stock also. Next stock